We're here today at PACCAR Australia, where Levanta have put in 2 wheel alignment pits for them on their end of line facility. So what they've been able to do here is create a suspended ceiling pit, which is a steel structure with 2 pit lanes to incorporate the end of line wheel alignment system.
Hi, I'm James Rees. I'm the Capital Projects Manager at PACCAR Australia in Bayswater. We're lucky enough to partner with Levanta to develop this wheel alignment pit you see here. It's very ergonomic for our operators and very safe, as that was one of my main factors to implement here at PACCAR Australia.
Levanta was thrilled to be able to partner with PACCAR, the manufacturer of Kenworth DAF trucks here in Australia. They're Australian-made product, and we feel we've got a very good alignment with their company, as we do with the whole heavy vehicle transport industry.
When we approached Levanta to help us design a concept pit and wheel alignment station, they were very agile and they were able to meet my crazy sketches and came back to me with workable solutions. So this new wheel alignment system has improved our efficiency by approximately 50%. We're able to keep up with new increase in customer demands right through until next year. The result's amazing, like such a good ergonomic improvement for the guys, safe aspect for them to work around.
The throughput increase has been huge, as well as a lot of safety upgrades. So we've got a really good result here.
Yeah, my experience of working in Levanta has been great. They've responded to all of my queries and get the job done in a timely fashion.